Hello everybody and welcome back to Tech Tutorials, and in this video we are going to be learning how to repost on Instagram Threads app. So first you need to open Threads, and in here you're going to be choosing a post that you want to repost. So you can see below we have four options. First one is to like, the second one is to comment, the third one is to repost, and the final one is to send it to your followers. So we're going to be selecting the third last option with two arrows. Click on that, and here you can see we have this option to repost. Once you repost, when you head over to your My Account section, the post will be visible in here. So that's a pretty simple process. I really hope you found this video helpful. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.